All right, we're live. Let's get it. Let's get it. Thursday night, 10:13. Whoop, wrong one. I'm gonna run through my analysis here real quick. Ultimately, the dollar is up, so I'm still going long on the dollar. See here on the 4-hour chart. Gold, I'm still selling gold. You can see how strong the downtrend is ever since it hit 1364. Back down. You dropped pretty much almost $50. I'm still looking for it to hit below 1300. Probably won't hit below 1300 probably sometime next week. Euro, I'm still shorting euro. Looking for it to come back to 122.0. If it does not break 122.0, then I will probably get ready to take a buy on it. Even though it is still bullish on the daily, still bullish on the weekly. These candles have been above pretty much the moving average the whole time here. So might just end up just being a small short. Bitcoin, best time to buy Bitcoin when it was at 6,000. It did target 8,400, 8,400. So best time to get in. I don't foresee it going back to 6,000. And if it does, it'll probably just create support at 6,000 again. What else I want to talk about? The pound is retracing back up tonight. If you guys look at the pound is still bullish. So overall, the pound is stronger than the euro. A lot of people are projecting for it to hit 150, probably for the end of this month. So let's see here. Oh yeah, Australia. I am doing a monthly sell on Australia, and I will show you why. Sold it at 83. Sold it right around here. And then I'm expecting this candle to close down here on Friday at 0.77. Close to 0.775. Close there. Start another red candle pushing back down, back to this support here at 75. And I will take profit. If it breaks this, then I'm just gonna sell all the way back. So this is a really strong bearish candle here on the monthly chart against the green candle here. And if you notice how strong these candles have been pushing down, moving average has made the decision to cross through here. So same thing with New Zealand. You can see that the moving average is crossing here as well. You can see that these candles, bearish candles, been going down, bouncing off. This red line is the moving average, so you can see where it's bouncing off. Bounces off the moving average, comes right back down. USD CAD, I am buying USD CAD all the way up to 1. I'm expecting for it to stay above 126, and then I will target 127 from there. And so reason being is because it's been down for quite some time already. You can see how much it's been down. You can see the oscillator going down, 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 and now the oscillator has already made that cross here with the orange line. The blue line is the most important line to follow because it's the primary line. So that is very important to pay attention to, especially if you're using TradingView. USD Swiss franc is going back down. Here's on the weekly chart. You can see here on the daily chart that that these two candles create resistance going back down. And so if we look at the monthly chart, it has been really, really strong sell on the monthly chart. And so we can see a pretty strong key resistance around the $1 range and the 103, the $1 and the 103 range here for USD Swiss franc. And you can see if we backtrack, it's been downtrending quite a bit already. So Swiss franc is kicking ass. Let me see here. Oh yes, right. Still, like I said, I'm still buying the US dollar. I don't care about the stock market. The stock market has nothing to do with the US dollar. So we can see here on the weekly, the resistance is at 89.01 here. And then when this started at 89.2, now it's back at 90. I'm looking for it to close. I'm looking for it to target 91. If it does not break 91, this will be a key resistance and drop back, especially for the dollar. But I'm following the 4-hour because you can see how strong the uptrend is on the 4-hour. Has not decided to come down to the middle band. So this red line is the moving average. You can see how strong it's been just bouncing off the moving average here. So it's pretty strong uptrend here for the US dollar index. Oh, let's see. Gold, I already talked about gold. I already talked about Bitcoin. I think that's all I got. So your swing. Am I swing trading or pip trading? What the heck is pip trading? Pip trading. Nothing that I showed was based on the 1-minute chart. Let me run back here. Okay. All right. Time to get going.